Hi friends. So in this video we will discuss about mapping task. So what is mapping task? Like if I talk about IICS, in IICS till now what we have done, we have went to this option. We inside our data integration services, we have went to mapping and we have created all type of mapping here. Okay, and after creating the mapping, what we have done, we have just run that mapping so that it has loaded your data from source to target. Okay, now if I compare the same with Informatica Power Center, in Power Center you cannot directly execute the mapping. So what you need to do, you need to first get mapping, then session, then workflow, and then you have to execute workflow. But in IICS, you can, after creating the mapping, you can directly run. So till now, all of my previous video, this part I have done. Now, so in this video, we will discuss about this option called task. So we are having different types of tasks like synchronization task, replication task, all types of tasks we will discuss in future videos. But here we will discuss about this mapping task. So what is this mapping task? Inside this mapping task, you can call your mappings. Okay. So after calling your mappings, what you can do, like suppose you want to schedule or send any notification on that. It is similar to your session in IAC in Power Center. Okay. Now, so after clicking on this mapping task, so it is showing name. So it depends on your requirement or your learning purpose. You can provide name of your mapping task. Okay. Location is the folder where your mapping task would get saved. Okay, so we have put by default option, we have selected runtime environment. So the environment, or you can say that secure agent which is running on your system, it will provide you one runtime environment. You have to select this option. Do not select this cloud hosted agent. You have to select your runtime environment mapping. So once you click on the select option, it will provide you all the mappings which are present inside your repository. So here what we'll do, we will create our MSQL transformation mapping. Okay. So once you select on this option, so this is a very important page here. If you see here in like you can, if you want to schedule this mapping task, you can run it on a specific schedule. Okay, so here you will see the number of, we can provide name of this schedule and we can run this mapping task at a specific time. If you want to repeat n number of times, you can do the same thing. Okay, but in real time period, generally no one is using this IICS scheduler. Okay, generally what we are doing, generally we are using third party scheduling tool, because in real time project there are number of mappings or mapping task or workflow needs to get created. So I'm not scheduling this right now. Okay, now email notification. So suppose you want to notify to anyone whether your mapping has been successfully executed or any failure or warning mail, anything. So for the timing, let us see, like we are selecting here failure notification or warning email notification. So depends on your requirement, you can put your email ID. Okay, or any messages if you want to put, you can put it here. Okay, so I will show you one example of this thing. Okay, so right now leave this as it is. Okay, after that you will see here we are having pre-processing command or post-processing command. So before running your mapping task, if you want to do anything, you can do here. Okay, so you can define some parameter file directory, parameter file name, anything say here. Okay, or if any advanced property you want to provide, you can provide. This is the optimization things. So for performance improvement, you can use push dyno optimization. Okay, so all the cross schema push down, all the things are default option we have selected, because we just wanted to show here like what is mapping task. Okay, suppose I want to trigger email. Let me show you one, like let me put my email ID here. Okay, so I have taken my email ID here. Okay, in case of this and when we I want to trigger this mail, I want to trigger this mail on my success email notification. Okay, now I will go and just finish. So it's a very simple thing. Okay, so we have just clicked on finish. So my mapping task has been created. So what is the name of my mapping task which I have put it here? Mapping task 1. So it is calling mapping task 1, it is running inside this runtime environment, it is calling my this mapping. Okay, so after that if I want to run, so my mapping will run. If you show here, my jobs option. So see, this mapping task is getting executed. Okay, it will load data from source to target, and inside that it will call my SQL transformation mapping, which we have already created here. Okay, so if I show you one example here, so once it got successful, so this type of mail will get triggered to your email ID, like this mapping task is completed. This is your organization ID, organization name, okay, start time, end time, है ना, to discuss about email SQL transformation. Okay, source connection, source object, okay, target connection, and how many source, how many rows has been loaded, all these things will be triggered inside your email. Okay, so this is all about mapping task. So I hope you get something from this video. If you like this video, please try to subscribe my channel, so that it will motivate me and I will provide you some more stuff. Thank you. I hope it has been executed. It is running right now. Yeah, it has been executed now. If you see here, your mapping task has been executed. Okay, this is the it is calling, this is task type is mapping task. Okay, here you will see all the data source is what is your source, what is your target, and it is calling your MSQL transformation. So that's all from this video. Thank you.